Your fibia was broken?
Objection leading. Speculative.
Overruled as to both.
That's
The witness
not what
may
he said.
answer.
Sí.
Yes.
And you had torn ligaments?
Objection leading.
Overruled.
You didn't say that in the question before.
Sí.
Yes.
And were those both in the same leg?
Objection leading.
Sí.
Sorry,
Yes.
overruled. If we
Yeah, of course.
just wait when there's an objection. I'm overruling it. It's relevant. It's not leading. The witness's answers may stand.
I mean, yeah, you overrule every objection.
And the jury will disregard the additional commentary made by Mr. Brooks at this time.
Judicial misconduct at its finest.
And which leg was that, sir?
Objection, asked and answered.
Overruled. You may answer.
Voy a contestar la pregunta.
El pie izquierdo.
My left leg.
Did you have to have surgery on that leg?
Objection leading.
Overruled.
Anulada.
Sí.
Let's
Yes.
see what y'all trying
Just
to
one?
do.
Nada más una cirugía.
Trying to get here.
Dos.
Two.
That's not gonna work either.
Mr. Brooks, you are advised to stop with the commentary.
No, I'm gonna say what I want
You
to say.
called this witness. I'm going to take a break right now and excuse the jury and this witness.
All right.
What you doing is judicial misconduct. Judicial misconduct. But you don't want the jury to hear the truth. That's not fair to the jury. They have a right to hear everything. I'm not finna sit here and let you fix the trial because you don't want to tell the truth to the jury.
Mr. Brooks, please stop.
No, there ain't no please.
You are
nothing.
being disruptive.
Ain't
You
no
are being
please, nigga.
disrespectful.
You always
The
gonna
witness
find
may
some
step
reason to
down.
say somebody's being disruptive because they want the truth to be out there. Man, quit it. You supposed to be the
Mr.
judge.
Brooks, I'm advising you that continued interruptions will result in you forfeiting your right to be
Okay,
present
and
in this
under
courtroom.
what law and
during
fact can you do that?
Illinois versus Allen.
Okay,
sir.
but the fourth option that you made up that's not even in the law
Mr.
because
Brooks,
you can't do that.
I need to make a
By law, you
ruling.
can't do that.
I need to
And
make
you
a
know you
finding.
can't.
All right, I'm going to excuse everyone. Mr. Brooks is being removed from the courtroom. He will continue in the neighboring courtroom. Please make sure he has his objection signed and a pad of paper.
So is that
he can.
So is that holding me in
meaningfully
contempt?
Participate, and I will make a ruling when I.
so? Are
after
you
we
holding
come
me in
back up.
contempt? Is that civil or criminal?
The record, Mr. Brooks has been removed to the other courtroom. The jury is not present, and the witness that was on the stand is also not present in the courtroom. And just for the record, I will certainly let Mr. Brooks know he can ask to come back in when he's willing to abide by the rules of decorum and courtesy. Thank you, everyone. Please be seated. The record should reflect that Mr. Brooks is appearing from another courtroom. That should not affect the jury's verdict in any way. The state may continue with its cross-exam of this witness.
The state would have nothing further.
All right, Mr. Brooks, do you have any redirect for this witness? Mr. Brooks, do you have any further questions for Mr. Marquez? The record should reflect that Mr. Brooks is reading out of a book. He has not answered the question. I will ask one more time. Sir, do you have any further questions for Mr. Marquez?
Am I unmuted?
You are. You have been.
What's going on?
Do you have any redirect questions for Mr. Marquez? this is your opportunity to ask any follow-up questions
El seguimiento.
that you have for this witness.
Testigo.
Say something. I'm trying to see if the headphones on. It's supposed to be on a certain channel. Can someone say something from the other courtroom?
Have any questions for Mr. Marquez at this time? It's your opportunity to ask follow-up questions. The state indicated it did not have any additional questions.
Nope, I don't got no follow-up question.
All right, thank you. Then, Mr. Marquez, you may step down. Thank you for being here today.